In this video, we'll finish creating the report and test how it works. We don't need to number report tables. Turn on the Associative Report option because you are creating the report linked to the assembly. Data in the form of links is enabled because the bill of materials data needs to be linked to assembly parameters. Leave the following settings as default. They only make sense if you create multiple tables. The Data Processing Window option allows you to review the table in a special window before placing it in the document. Leave this option turned on. Do not turn on to a new document yet. You will insert the bill of materials into our drawing we've already created. Click Create. The Data Processing window will open. You can edit some settings here, or correct the report style if needed. Let's change the alignment for the material column to the left. Click Create. The Opened Documents dialog appears. The system prompts you to place the bill of materials in one of the open documents. If no documents are open, the system will request that you select a document on your computer. Select the crank handle drawing and click Select. Place the table on the drawing sheet. Finish the command. Go to the drawing. Let's adjust the views and the table a little. Let's check how the connection between the documents works. Go to the assembly and add one more arm. Place it anywhere, it doesn't matter because we're adding the arm only for the experiment. Save the model and return to the drawing. Rebuild it. You can see that the second arm has appeared in the views and in the table. However, it isn't grouped with the first arm. This happened because the item number for the second arm hadn't been defined. Let's fix that. Go back to the model. If we review the new arm's properties, we'll see that the position property field is empty. You can assign the position value right here. However, if you're working with a large assembly containing numerous parts, manually changing properties for each part one by one would be very time-consuming. We will use the Product BOM panel. First, we need to display it. Go to the Settings menu, Toolbars, Product BOM. The Product BOM table will appear. Later, you can return to this panel using this button. Click Expand. You can see the composition of our assembly here and the properties of all the components. For more detailed information about the Product BOM toolbar, refer to the Kompas 3D help system or our upcoming lessons. Now, start this command. It allows you to assign item numbers to components. The second arm has received its number. Save the assembly. Rebuild the drawing. Now the arms are grouped. Let me delete the redundant arm. The data in the table has been changed automatically. The report data are linked to the assembly parameters. If you try to edit them right in the table, the links will break, and the report table will not update when the assembly changes. Note how the text color has changed. Text links in Kompas are blue. Once the links are broken, you cannot relink the data. You will have to create the report again. Use Ctrl-Z to undo the last commands. You can add additional text to the report table cells. Parameter links will be preserved. It's recommended to edit the bill of materials last. Double-click on the report's frame if you want to edit the report. If you go to Settings, Parameters, Current Drawing, Report Table Parameters, you will be able to adjust parameters such as the font, or the indentation. The drawing of the crank handle is ready now. Don't forget to save your work. In this lesson, we've created the crank handle assembly. We added the balloons to the assembly and generated the drawing, created a custom report style, and inserted the bill of materials into the crank handle drawing. This course is the last in the Quick Start course series, but we hope to see you in our upcoming courses.